Yo, what's good, man? Welcome to the All Ocean Fishing Channel. My name is Darren. I make saltwater performance fishing gear, and I just record myself fishing for the fun of it, man. Today we about to be fishing these rock ledges, these deep water ledges, and we're just gonna see if we can get on anything, man. Striper, drum, trout, you name it. We trying to get them, man. So let's get to it, man. I'll see y'all at the first spot. All right, y'all. We're just getting out here. To start, we got a 1 ounce bottom sweeper jig, and I'm gonna float these live menhaden or porgies on this ledge here. Goes from like 3 feet to like 8 or 9 feet pretty fast. And we're just gonna drift back with the current, man, and see if we can stick anything. Just got out here. I wasn't recording though when I dropped the bait down. I had a really nice thump. Don't know what it was, but I missed him anyway, so. Yeah, there's plenty of life down there on the screen, so I think we'll be able to get something, man. You know, drum, striper, trout, anything would be really cool today, man. Anything that will pull some drag would be nice. That'd be pretty cool. All right, let's see if we can get our first tog ever. You know. There's fish. Oh yeah. Oh, he got me in the rocks. Got me in the rock. Yep. Damn, he got me right in the rock too. I got him out. Oh yeah, tog. There's the first fish of the day. New species as well. Tautog, look at that, yo. We fight pretty hard too. It's cool. Cool new species. There he is, y'all. There he goes. Oh, he almost just flipped. We gotta get out of here. All right, let's try that again, man. It's good to get the skunk off. Fortunately, this is my last crab, so. Huh? Yeah. Fortunately, this is my last 2 pieces of crab, so. Once this is gone, this is it, so. There's another guy. These things are aggressive, man. Oh. You guys fight pretty hard, man. That'll probably be the last one we catch. Cause I'm all out of crab and shrimp. That's a cool fish, man. These things are pretty dope. They pull drag too for being this small. Pretty cool fish. Yes, sir. There he is, y'all. Beautiful tautog. They say they taste really good. Let me look up the minimum size requirement for it. May keep him. I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, they gotta be 16 inches. Don't think he's 16. It's a cool looking fish though, man. Beautiful. Probably 14 inches or so. There you go. These things are actually fun to catch, I'm not gonna lie. It's just unfortunately I don't think I have any more shrimp or crab. So I think that may be it. Yeah. Still really cool though. Almost out of bait, period. At least we're not going home skunked, man. Like I said, I may go fish the flats too. Yeah, you. Cool though, man. New species. That's really cool. It's really cool. Yeah, if we could do. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I pulled it right out of his mouth too. Dang. Pulled it right out of his mouth. Man, what is that? I keep losing. I think today we're going after striper, man. Just getting to the spot now. There's a whole bunch of area we can fish. We got rock, we got structure. There's a nice point up there as well. And we're just going after anything, man. Striper, drum, trout, you name it. Black drum even maybe. We're just trying to catch anything that'll pull some drag, man. That's really what we're after today. I haven't fished here in probably almost a year, it feels like, man. Yeah. So we're just gonna give it a shot, jig around. We're just gonna see if anything happens, man. We're all the way upriver today. So hopefully, we'll get on a nice striper bite, man. We got the incoming tide as well, which is definitely a good sign. So I know once this tide really starts to get going, I know we could run into anything, man. And I've caught everything back here before, so we're just gonna give it a shot, man. So y'all stay tuned. Oh, there's a fish. Off the rip. There's something good. He's running right at us. 2 minutes of fishing. What is that, striper? Yeah, a little schooly striper. We're already on the board though, man. 2 minutes of fishing. That's a good sign to come. Oh. It's the first fish of the day. The most dinkiest striper of all time. He's gone. It's a really good sign for things to come though, man. They are in the area. Whether there's smaller guys, there's bigger guys. So got the skunk off. That's good. And we're just throwing a 1/4 ounce jig head with like a white and gold speck, like 2.5, 2.25 inch soft plastic, man. Trying to imitate like a flashing Manhattan and see if we can entice one of these bigger striper to eat. But I also know drum and trout is also on the board as well. And we also do have live shrimp and a couple live Manhattan that we could float as well. So there's endless opportunity today, and the skunk's already off. It's only been 2 minutes, so that is a really, really good sign. All right, we're gonna retie. We're gonna head to that point, man. I think we should be all right. It doesn't look like it's gonna rain. I'm just gonna check the winds and make sure we're chilling, but yeah, we're gonna head to that point and see if there's anything on it. So I'll see y'all in 2 seconds. All right, y'all, we made it to the point, but it The wind picked up really, really, really good. It's starting to cap now, so I'm trying to stay close to where it's not too rough. I'm not gonna lie though, it's blowing like 12 to 15 right now. It was not calling for this, but as long as we stay close, we should be fine, man. But man, did it pick up out of nowhere, dude. Sheesh. Oh, there's a fish.
Down there. How's it going?
What is this? Small striper, probably. It's coming in real easy. Yeah, a little schooly striper. It's a good sign, though. Oh. Oh, it just came right off, so. All right, bro, you can go back. You don't gotta stay in the boat, bro. What the hell is he doing? Thank you, come here. Bye. Goodness, man. Just small striper so far. Oh man. Great sign. Where are the big ones at though, man? Even if there were slots, that'd be fun, you know? Ooh, that may be a better fish. Think we found our guy. Ooh, rip and drag. Maybe a drum. Is that a drum? I don't know yet. It's a bigger fish though, whatever it is. Oh, this thing is heavy. Yeah, I think that's a red. Yes, it is. Gorgeous red fish. You don't even know he's hooked. That's a good one, man. Oh, oh, he knows he's hooked. Whew. These things are so strong. Whew. I think that's a nice slot drum. Yes, sir. Well, that's a big one, man. These things are so strong, man. Sheesh. Let's get this guy in the net. Yes, sir. That is a good fish, man. That is a real good fish. Not the striper we're after, but we'll take a nice drum all day, man. All right, y'all. Not the striper, but that is an absolute gorgeous 24-inch redfish, man. You know, the pink artificial on the 1/4 ounce jig head. He's like a dark copper color, but beautiful fish, man. Let's get him on the stringer and let's keep fishing. Yo, so that's all I got for y'all, man. I've been really busy, dude. Haven't had much time to fish, and it's getting really cold. So I tried to put together the best video I could with the footage I had, man. So I hope y'all enjoyed. And again, if you guys are interested, I do make saltwater performance fishing gear as well. So I'll leave a link in the description below. And remember, any day in the water, be sitting on the daggone couch of the crib, and I'll see y'all boys in the next one.